It has like different workshops with like different things, and you learn a lot of new things, and it's really fun.
And we got to learn things while also having fun and learning a lot about other people too.
Something that I really liked was it was like almost entirely led by kids, and so that made it even more fun because we learned like from each other. We were talking about Columbus Day. That's like something that the 7th grade has been like talking about recently, and definitely like about the environment, and like I really like that. We also in Miss Horton's room, we had like an open, like, kind of talk, and we talked about, like it was an anonymous, like, talking where people can tell, like, something that's been on their mind.
I really liked everyone's opportunity to lead a workshop. I thought it was a really good leadership opportunity for everybody.
And I liked how it was leaded by grades rather than teachers, so you could get the perspective of the students rather than the teachers.
I liked the open circle where we shared a lot about our lives and we got advice from other people.
Younger kids took it a lot more serious than I thought they were going to, and when we ran the workshop, they're asking serious questions and they had good answers.
Because I really like looking at all the different ways people could respond to people's problems. And I felt like when we have each other's backs, that could just mean so much.